Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. In this tutorial we'll be creating a cake decorated with a drip and piped Christmas trees made out of chocolate. For the sprinkles I used a mixed variety that I bought from Coles, emptied almost the whole packet out into a container and just mixed them up so I had a little custom mix there. Take some baking paper and fold it in on one end to create a square with a line down the middle. Cut against that line so you have two triangles. The longest side facing you and the pointer facing away from you. Take one of the edges on the side, give it a twist and line it up with the very furthest corner. Grab the other side, wrap it around, I hope that makes sense, and then just fold it all together to lock everything in place to create your own little piping bags. I totally ran out of piping bags, and so this is my method for now. Empty out some Nestle white chocolate into a microwave safe container, zap for 30 seconds, and then back into a microwave for another 10 seconds or until it's completely melted. Add in oil. We're adding in the oil because it's going to stop our chocolate from seizing when we add in the red gel food color by Chef Master. A few drops is all it takes. Stir that through and then fill in your piping bag with the chocolate. Snip off maybe about 3 millimeters towards the end of your piping bag and just zigzag onto some baking paper to create your Christmas trees. Start it really tight at the top, and then as you work your way down, widen that zigzag just to create a nice elongated triangle shape. Denser it is, so the more times you go over, the stronger your little Christmas tree will be. Before it has time to set, quickly sprinkle on your little sprinkles and then into the fridge for about 10 minutes or so to set completely. Follow the exact same steps but using green chocolate this time. So we mix together a bit of yellow and turquoise gel color to achieve this color. Again, starting at the top nice and tight and then leading tapered towards the end. On-gird the sprinkles and into the fridge to set, and they should come off really easily just like so. We're decorating our cake. This is a pre-crumb coated 5-inch cake that is extra tall. Link will be in the description box how to build this cake and also for the buttercream. Smooth out your frosting, so I just added a nice thick amount all over. Fill in any pockets and continue to smooth until it's completely neat. When I remove the top lip of frosting here, I always like to use a super wide spatula. I feel like it just gives me the sharpest and neatest edge. Now before we put it into the fridge, so the buttercream is still nice and soft, I'm going to take some of those sprinkles and just press it into the bottom of my cake here. The cake is angled slightly so the sprinkles fall back into the container. For the ganache, we have white chocolate again by Nestle, adding in cream. This is 1 part cream to 3 parts white chocolate. So that was 90 grams of white chocolate, 30 grams of heavy cream. Zap it in the microwave for 30 seconds and stir until it's all melted and combined. Add in a couple of drops of gel food color, literally a couple. I could have done just 1 drop here. This was hella intense, but that's okay. Pour it into a prepared piping bag. I have mine standing up in a glass just to make it a bit easier. Fold it all together, bring in those sides so that your ganache doesn't kind of leak out the sides there. Starting at the very center of our cake, I am piping until I reach about 1 centimeter or so away from the edge. And then I start to bring that ganache outwards. And because we want some space, we don't want this drip to follow all the way down the cake, I'm only adding very tiny little droplets. They're going to continue to fall, so you just need a little bit over the edge. Give it a bit of a shake to help it on its way. And if you want, you could probably set it in the fridge before you add on your decorations. These are little chocolate trees. I am adding them onto the side, just where the line of sprinkles end. If they're too tall, you can break off the little sections at the bottom to get it to the height that you like. I'm adding a few of these at the very top just to finish, and you are done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you give it a go this Christmas. And if you do, hashtag Rosie's Dessert Spot so we can see your awesome creations as well. Have a fantastic Christmas and we'll see you in the next video.